Hello everyone, this is Bett&win. I want to show you these tricks that you can use to play Lotto. In case you are new to it, I don't know if any of you know what is Lotto. Normal Lotto that you get numbers and play with. You can use these tricks on UC web browser through this Zoom Live Soccer as they are still playing. The tricks you can use to do that is as they are playing, sometimes you see something that will pop up on this live, like they will show you golden goal. They will show you people that score it, golden goal. So once they show you that particular thing from this live, you see something that will just pop up as you are watching the live. Something that will pop up, golden goals. So just watch the whole teams, the whole clubs here as they are still playing. Check those ones that they show you golden goal, people that score golden goal. So anytime you see any of it, you will see the name of them that score it. So once you see the name, you check how many goals they are scoring that moment. Once you see how many goals they are scoring that moment, what you do is to jot down, just write down that particular number. Then check for another teams again. Wait for the same thing to pop up on the live. They will show you golden goal scored by maybe, for example, Juventus or Empoli or Lazio, Roma, Torino, all that, Ajax, Man U, Chelsea, and all that. Any of the teams that they show you that score golden goal at that moment, go straight. Be careful, check their name, the name of that particular one that score golden goal that moment. Go and check for their number. To check on that live score, check how many goals they are scoring that moment. Whether it's 1 or 2 or 3 from that particular one that score golden goal. What you do is to write down that particular goal. If it's a 1 goal they are scoring that moment, write it. If it's 3 goals, write it down. Write it separate by separate. After you have done that, then the next day, the best time to do this is in the night from 7 to 11. Do this midnight, like night in the evening from 7 o'clock to 12 a.m. the night. So do this. Those numbers that you copy, you write down. Use it to go and play Lotto on the next day. Play those numbers as Lotto number, and you will see the magic. All right, this is Bett&win. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell for you to get enough teaching of this is the new tricks that's working perfectly. This is a new trick that nobody has known it yet. So what you do, in case you are interested in this particular tricks, you want to chat me up on WhatsApp, you can contact me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. In case you are interested in the teaching about what I said now on Lotto number, how to get Lotto number using these tricks of Zoom Live Soccer, contact me on WhatsApp, chat me for it on 07036760527. All right, this is Bett&win. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next tricks